Seriously, I'm making a video about a flashlight. Well, hello everybody, Mark Anthony of The Vegas Tourist, and welcome back to my channel. No, the title is not clickbait. I'm making a video about a flashlight. That's how much I like this flashlight. Being that I do off-roading, I've learned one important thing. You know, when you go off-roading, you take what little you can. You take what's important to you. And what's important to you better work the first time, because you can't call AAA when you're out gallivanting in the wild out here, all right? What you need is something that you know when you grab it, it's going to work. And a flashlight is very, very important, not just off-roading, but just everyday life. Since I got this flashlight, it pretty well hasn't left my side. And I've had this for a year. And on top of it, for all the places that this has been, all of the times it's been knocked around, the Jeep, trucks, cars, whatever, it still looks pretty new. Rechargeable battery is an awesome battery. I think I've had to recharge it twice for all the times that I've used this flashlight. It is sealed so that it can go into, I think, about 4 feet of water. It is sealed so that it can't get dust in it, dirt in it, moisture won't get in it. This is a flashlight that a lot of law enforcement and military use. I mean, when you see someone get pulled over and the officer walks up and goes, "Hey, license and registration, please." Chances are it's this flashlight. In fact, last night we were watching a movie and they even used this flashlight. This is a Fenix TK22. And again, it's a flashlight. How remarkable can a flashlight be? Now, this is not your convenience store $4.99 flashlight. I will grant you that. But how many of them have you bought? And how many of them have multiple beams of light? All right? This one I think has 4. And on top of it, it has a strobe, a very bright strobe. The beam of light can be seen up to 1,500 feet. On bright, you can pretty well light up the desert on this little flashlight. This thing is like five and a half inches long. It weighs about 6 ounces, but it is durable as ever. That lens is absolutely clean and bright. It has hook. It comes with, where is it? It comes with a really neat Velcro case that loops into your belt. And I swear this thing is absolutely indestructible. I'm sure someone has probably drove a tank over it and ruined it. But I mean, if the average off-roader, adventure person, you're going to have this flashlight for many, many years. Now, I'm going to play the sympathy card on you. If you have a loved one that has to walk to work at night or walk to the bus stop or whatever, they get them this flashlight, all right? Have them carry it in their purse, their backpack, whatever, put it on their belt clip. They're gonna love you for it. It's really fun when I'm with someone and we're working on a Jeep or something and they're underneath and, "Hey Mark, can you hand me a flashlight?" And I hand them this and they start to play with it, and all I'm hearing from under the Jeep is, "Cool flashlight, Mark. Wow. I gotta get me one of these. Where did you get it?" I said, "Well, you ordered it? No, I'll give you their website, and I'm going to tell you it's worth every penny." I sound silly gushing over it because it's a flashlight, but it's an important piece of equipment if you're traveling, if you're doing anything at night, you just need one, all right? Especially if you do off-roading travel. Walking at night carrying, okay, it's just the Fenix TK22, and I cannot believe that I made a video about a flashlight. I really did. I like my flashlight, what can I say, all right? Get yourself one, try it, all right? Mark Anthony, The Vegas Tourist, and I'll catch you on the next video.